If you're looking for a quick, easy St. Patrick's Day dessert, then you're gonna wanna keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I am making a mint chocolate cheesecake dip. That's a mouthful. I found it over on My Organized Chaos and it just sounded really, really good. So I thought I'd go ahead and share it with you all. I will link the recipe in the description box below, so make sure you check them out, please. So let me go ahead, go over all the ingredients, and then we'll get started. Alrighty, my friends, so we have a 8-ounce bar of cream cheese, some green food coloring. The Oreos are for dipping, not to go into the actual recipe. I went ahead and bought the mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. It just called for semi-sweet chocolate chips, and I just went for the mini because I thought, with being a dip, I thought it would be better to have the little mini ones. I have some powdered sugar. The recipe calls for mint. I could only find peppermint, so I'm going to adjust the recipe and use less because this is much stronger than mint, but you can use peppermint, but you do need to cut back on it, so I'll be adjusting that. And then it calls for some unsalted butter. And friends, that is all the ingredients to this recipe, so let's get started. So friends, as you saw, not many ingredients at all. The only thing you got to remember is to let the butter and the cream cheese sit out to soften, because I forgot to do that, so I had to wait a little longer. So anyway, we're going to jump right into this recipe, so let's go. All right, my friends, I went ahead and put in my 8 ounces of cream cheese. I have my, I'm dropping it, my half a stick of butter. Now we're going to go ahead and take our hand mixer, and just blend it together. Alrighty. And now I'm going to go ahead and put in a 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. And as I mentioned earlier, the mint, it calls for a teaspoon of mint. I am using peppermint because I could not find mint. Ooh, that's strong. So I did a little research and it said that I just need to cut back. I am going to start with a 1/4 teaspoon of mint. We're not huge mint flavored people, so I think for us this will probably be more than enough. But obviously you're going to want to taste it to see if it is, because you can always add more, you can't take away. And then I'm just going to have a regular green food coloring. Okay, just do a couple little drops in there like that. And then we're going to go ahead and mix it together. It smells really good. Alrighty. Just going to get this down off the side. And friends, this doesn't make a whole lot, as you can see. So I'm just getting that little bit of cream cheese and all that was on the side in there mixed well, because there's a little bit of white. Okay, I'm just going to do a little taste test. Yeah. It's more than enough mint for us. That 1/4 teaspoon, more than enough. So now I have 1 cup of the semi-sweet chocolate chips. I did decide to go with the little mini ones, so it's probably going to be quite a few in there. Oh, look at that. Oh, And, you know, as I was saying, I don't think I finished my thought, you can absolutely double this recipe if you're having a party. If this is just something you and the family are having, you know, one would, I'm sure, be enough. But, all right, I'm going to go ahead and cover this up and get it in the fridge and let it set up for a little bit. And then we will dish it out and give it a taste test with our Oreo cookies in a little bit. All right, my friends, just about 45 minutes later. I'll give you a close-up at the end so you can see it. So we're going to go ahead and do a quick little taste test using some mint Oreo cookies. You can use regular Oreo cookies too if you don't want that much mint. It's good. I think I would like it better with regular Oreos, to be honest with you. I think it would taste much better with regular Oreos. Alright, friends. I don't have regular Oreos, but I have these Oreos. So let's try that with these. I'm gonna let hubby try. I'm gonna give him a mint one and one of the other ones and see what he thinks. I'll be right back. My friends, I'm back. He tried it with both cookies. He actually took the mint cookie apart and just used the one side of it with no mint on it, and then he used the plain, and he said it needs a little bit more mint, which I thought was interesting because that's what I am tasting. But my taste buds sometimes can be a little bit crazy. So I had told him what I had done, which I mentioned earlier. I just did a 1/4 teaspoon of the peppermint because I didn't have mint. But my research that I did, it said to use like 2/3, but I was afraid it would be too minty. So I would suggest trying it with the 1/4 and then adding a little bit more if it's not minty enough for you. It's easy just to add and mix it in there. But he thought it needed more mint, and I thought it was plenty minty for me, but I am not a sweet eater, so sometimes it's kind of hard for me to judge. But anyway, he really enjoyed it. So friends, I hope you will try it out. If you do, please comment below and let me know if you did. So friends, thanks so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please go ahead, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.